Hi, this is Rida and welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to create and how to add a services option in your home page. This is the second part of homepage video tutorial. If you don't see first video, go to the first video and check it out and get a link from the description. So let's start. In part one, we create a cover photo and see how to change the setting of cover photo. We add some text over here, uh, like a heading, uh, some paragraph, and change their sizes and font and etc. Okay, check in the first video. Now here we are gonna edit. For example, we add some in home page. We want to add some services. So let's go how to add this. Click on this pic, click on that, click on here. You can see a plus button, click on plus and type here column. As you can see a column. If you don't see here, type here column and it will appear like that. Okay, let's choose the column option from here. For example, if you want to create 3 columns or you want to create like that 25 50 25 33 33 equal, or you want choose according to your choice. For example, I choose this one, or I choose this. For example, I choose this one 50 50. As you can see, the two blocks shown over here. We click on it. For first we have to add a pick according to our services we provide. For example, first service we provide here is web development. Okay, I click on that. Click on, for example, I want to add a picture over here. As you can see the image option over here. Click on image, and from here upload an image. I already told you from where you get a free pick. There is another method from where you can create your own pic. This is called a Canva software or Canva website. If you want gonna create a video how to create from Canva. So wait, if you have any query and question, ask me in comment. I will help you. So let's upload here. For choose a pic from here. Go here. Go on pixel.com, and from here choose a pick according to your service you provide, according to your niche. For example, I provide the web development service, WordPress development service, for example. Okay, so I choose from here. For example, I provide WordPress services, so I type here WordPress website, like here. As you can see, I have a lot of picture here. For example, I choose this one. You can choose whatever you want. I download it from here. It's a free. Go to your editor, click on upload. From here upload pic. As you can see, it's upload now. If you want to change the size over here, you can change from their settings. Okay, cool. Okay, let's save and have a look how it's look on our home page. Save, go to your website, refresh, and you can see how it looks here. If this is too big, you can change or resize it, or you for okay. Click on pick, click here, click on plus. You are providing WordPress website services, and type a heading over here and write here WordPress development services. Click on it. If you want to increase the size, go here, click on large, and you can see it's large now. From here, can do it in the middle, align in center here. click on picture, click here. It will click on picture, click here, and you can see a button over here. If you want, now we have to enter some services that we're providing. Click on here and click on paragraph. We're providing the services, for example, e-commerce website. Other one is portfolio, and the other one is blog. Other one is business website. See, as you can see, we have some option where we add some detail over here. You can add according to your niche, according to your services. For okay, click on save and have a look how it's look now. So as you can see, it's look like that. If you want to increase the size of text, you can increase. So here you can see it's too close, and there is also nothing here, that no text over here. Let's add a text over here. Click here, and if this kind of problem happen is too close, do one thing. Click on that, click on here, and you can see a plus button over here. Okay, click on plus and click on heading. As you can see the heading option over here, right here, like services, and increase the size like this large, and align in center. You can change the color. For example, I change the color into red. As you can see, there is after this WordPress development segment, and I want to this before, like from here. So what you can do, you can see this arrow over here. Click on that and it will appear here. Click on save and have a look. Now it's look like, see, you can see now there is a services option over here. You can customize it, you can change color, you can whatever you want to increase the size or whatever you want to add. If you want to add some background over here, click on that, and for example you want to add this uh, background over here. Click on save, go there and refresh. So as you can see the service over here. Okay, you can change according to your choice. Go to there, and if you want to remove this, remove like this. Okay, from here add an other service, add an image. I told you already from where you can get a free image. For example, I'm gonna provide a graphic designing services. I'm go here and type here graphic design. As you can see, the a lot of picture over here. Choose a picture from here. For example, I choose this one. Download it. Go to your editor. Click on upload and upload from here. So as the pick upload here, with this, click on plus, add a heading, and right here graphic designing services. Click on text, click on large, line in center. You can also bold here by selecting the text. Click on picture, click here, click on plus, paragraph, enter the services you providing according to graphic designing. For example, business card. Click enter. web banner, and logo, and much more according to your services you are providing. Okay, and click on save and have a look how it's look now, for example, like that. Okay, now you can see how's your service look like. Okay, if you want more ideas about how to add services and like that, you can also look my website, the link in the description, and check it from here. Go to my website, your connect solution. You can see I'm providing some services over here: web development, marketing, strategy, graphic designing, social media, SEO, video animation, and all that thing over here. You can check and you can have a look how it's look. You can the all services and every page over here about us, term and condition, blogs, and all that thing over here. Okay, so if you want to add one more over here, for example, you think it's too big and you want to add one more, go to here and click on. As you can see, if you cursor come here, you see a button over here. Click on that and a column will add here. So add a column here. For example, we want to add a picture first. Click on image and upload an image. For example, I upload this one image here, or this one image here. So you can see the image over here. Click here, add heading. For example, SEO services. Okay, click here. From here, large, line in center. See, click on the here, add paragraph. Here, the write your service is provided for example, on page SEO. Click enter. Of page SEO. Click enter. And keyword ranking. Click on save and have a look how it's look now. So as you can see, it look much better. If you want to do this in center, you can do that. Okay, so as you can see how we can add some services topic in our home page. I hope this video help you. If you have any curious question, ask me in comment. I will help you, and you can also contact me on FB. I will help you. Check out my website. If you have another video, take care and don't forget to subscribe.